Hi loves, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are unboxing day 3 of the Wonton in a Million Lunar New Year Advent Calendar. I'm super excited, so let's get into it. Subscribe, do all the things if you haven't already. Day 3 comes in this pretty sateen bag here, so let's see what it is. Oh, you guys, I love it! It's a hair tie. I am obsessed with hair ties like this. I bought several from A Little Crafty, which is This Well Planned Life's daughter, and I love, 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 love these. So I'm definitely going to use that. And we've got some stickers here. And again, we've got an explanation of day 3 here. So just a brief explanation. So before New Year's Day, make sure to get a haircut, clean the house, do laundry, wash your hair. Because on New Year's Day, you must remember, do not wash your hair, you'll wash away your good luck. Do not do laundry, you'll launder away your good luck. Do not sweep the house, you'll sweep away your wealth. Do not take out the garbage, you'll dump out your good fortune. Do not say unlucky words like those relating to death, sickness, or poverty. And then throughout the 15 days, you're not supposed to cry, break any dishes, borrow or lend money. Do not wear black or white clothes. They're mourning colors. Do not buy do not buy or gift books. The Chinese word for book sounds like lose. Okay, so that is day 3. Yay, day 4 is here. It's January 26th, and we are opening up day 4 of the Wonton in a Million Lunar New Year Advent Calendar. As always, I'm super excited. Subscribe, do all of those things, and let's get into this. Okay, that is all that's in there. So we get our mini stickers, and day 4 is red envelopes, which I love. Now these are the ones I think you're supposed to put money in and give to your single friends, or I think like elders give them to single people, or if I'm not mistaken, children. I'm always happy to receive some money. So yes, but I'm looking forward to reading this card to make sure I've got it accurate. So we've got this card, this one, and these cute ones. So let's see, do I have it accurate? This is our explanation card. Let's see. Get ready for one of the best parts of Lunar New Year celebrations, lucky money. Starting on Lunar New Year's Eve, those who are married will gift lucky red envelopes to those who are young and single to wish them a joyful new year. Use today's Advent items to and the below tips to join in on the fun of this tradition. Okay, so I was close. I thought it was the older people would give to the younger, but it's the if you're married, you give to the people who are single and younger. Nice. I am both single and young. Nice. Thank you guys for watching. Come back for day 5.